Y'all, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is eats-coreyiele from theluxeminimalist.com. As you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a very exciting one. I finally got my new couch. Just getting right into it. Finally got my new couch. This is a dupe for the Restoration Hardware cloud couch. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you all of the details on this couch, all of the tea, pros and cons, where I got it, the price, etc. So stay tuned for that. But I just got ready to go to Home Goods. So today's video is going to be like a home decor vlog, and then I'll give you like sit down and talk to you about the couch. So I just got ready, put on some light makeup. You guys always compliment me in the comments on my makeup, so I just want to give you the details on this. So I'll link everything that I'm using in the description box below. Today's lip I am obsessed with. It's like a nude brown lip, and this is this combo from Merit Beauty. It's their signature lipstick in Slip in 1990. I'll put a clip on the screen of what they look like, but I've been loving this combo and these lipsticks, super comfortable, so highly recommend. I'll leave them linked below, but I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's go to Home Goods. I'm gonna go to the one at the Americana, but I'm just so excited to share details on my couch. So yeah, we're gonna go to Home Goods and look for a few items and then come back and we can discuss the couch. So let's do that. Okay y'all, so I am back home. As you can see, I'm sitting in front of my white couch. I'm sitting on the floor because I have on a denim on denim outfit, and I'm not trying to have any color transfer, but I will be doing like an overlay video of like close-ups of the couch while I talk to you about it. This is the Cali Pearl Modular Sectional from Toe Furniture. Like I said, I ordered this back in September. Let me give you the exact date. Yeah, so I ordered this back in September, on September 8th, and I received it on March 21st. There were several delays. It was supposed to come in November, but then there were delays with the shipping and, you know, with the pandemic and everything. A lot of places have been having like supply chain issues, so it kept getting pushed back. I started to consider other couches, like when it got to like January and was being pushed back still. I started to reconsider and start looking at other couches, but I didn't find anything that I liked more than this one. And I was able to read some reviews on a different site called Coleman Furniture. They also have this couch, and a lot of the reviews had pictures, and it was just all great reviews. So I was like, okay, let me just keep this couch and let me just wait. And this was originally supposed to be, well, the latest update that I had said that that this was supposed to come in April, but it came a few weeks early, thank God. But I'm so happy with the couch. So like I said, it's a modular sectional, so I bought each piece separately, and each piece was about $500, and I got 4 pieces. And the this did increase in price, so I think each piece was $515. Now each piece is $575, so they went up on the price. What else? I got in-home delivery, so the guys came in and set it up for me, and made sure everything was good before leaving. They took the trash away, and that was $150 to get the in-home delivery. I know that I wouldn't have anyone here to help me bring it upstairs, so I just paid the extra for that. What else? So yeah, they have slip covers, so it's a pillow top sofa, so it looks very similar to the cloud couch, except like it has sharper edges. But I love the look of this couch. It's a true white couch. It's not cream, it's white. And yeah, you can remove all of the pillow covers. So for like the actual cushions, the pillow back here, you can remove this. There's zippers at the bottom, as you can see, so you can remove all of those and throw them in the washer. So yeah, it's very easy to clean. I did have like a couple of marks on the sofa when it came, probably from the guy putting it together, but it was easy to just use some Dawn dishwashing. It was easy to use some Dawn dishwashing liquid and a towel, and just wet the towel and then scrub out the marks. So yeah, it came out really easily. I did spray Scotch Guard all over the sofa. I did 2 coats. I took off all of the pillows, all of the cushions, and sprayed both. I didn't spray both sides of the cushion. I didn't spray the underside. I just sprayed the tops. But then for the pillows, I sprayed both sides, just to keep any like liquids off. I do notice that I have a few marks on the ottoman, probably from my laptop, but I'm just going to get some, like I said, some Dawn detergent and get that out. But yeah, I think this was a great purchase. So the total was $22.09 for the sofa and the in-home delivery. It's going to be a little bit more. Like I said, they did increase each piece by $60, so now it's $5.75. So just multiply that by 4. And yeah, I ordered 2. Originally, I accidentally ordered 2 middle pieces and 1 corner piece, but once I caught that, I just emailed them and told them that I needed 2 corner pieces and 1 middle piece, and then 1 ottoman. So yeah, they were able to update that right away, and it came correctly. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say about the sofa. Let me know if you have any questions. I mean, other than like the Scotch Guard, the other way I'm planning on keeping it clean is just to use a lot of blankets when I am lounging on it. Just lay on the blankets instead. Or if I'm like, if I don't have anything on me, like I'm fresh out the shower, I just can sit directly on it. But if I'm like doing stuff on it, like on my laptop and stuff, I'll just put the laptop on top of a blanket. Try not to eat on the sofa. Like when I eat, especially when I'm eating like greasy foods or something like that, I'll just sit on the floor or sit on my chair that I have to the left of me. But yeah, just being careful. I mean, when I drink my coffee, like I sat on the sofa and worked from the sofa on Friday, and since I didn't have like many meetings, so I put my coffee, that day I just put my coffee in a mason jar with a screw on top and a straw, instead of using like an open glass that I may knock over. Like I just use something with a lid on it. So that's another tip. But yeah, I mean, it is going to get dirty because I do plan on actually living in my living room. Like I do want to just, you know, lounge on my sofa. I haven't had a sofa for 6 months now, and it feels so good to have one. So I'm going to be in here. But yeah, when I see a mark, I'll just clean it up, or if it's too dirty, I'll put it in the washing machine. Or there's also this steam cleaner that DIY with KB here on YouTube. She showed that, and she showed how she cleaned her white couch with that. So I'll just buy one of those when it's time to actually do a deep clean. But yeah, I love this sofa. I think it just looks so modern. It's so comfortable. You do kind of like sink down into it a little bit with the pillow tops, but you know, you just fluff them back up. But yeah, that is it about the sofa. And yeah, that's all I have to say about the sofa. So if you have any other questions that I didn't answer, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer them there. And I'll link this sofa on all of the sites I can find it, and then probably some other dupes for the Restoration Hardware cloud couch. So yeah, I just came back from the Americana. I got a few things, so if you want to see what I got, I can show you that really quickly. So I got some new CVG Converse. I had the black ones. I realized they were too small. Like they would hurt after a while, and I've had them for years now, but I gave them to my mom, and so I got a half size up, so I got a 7 in these. When I saw them in stock at Nordstrom, I was like, let me just get them because I need them. I needed like comfortable shoes that can match a lot of outfits. And then I went to And Other Stories and got some candles, which I didn't plan on getting these, but they did smell good. And I need to stop using all of my own supplies. I do make candles, and I find myself burning my own candles all the time, and I'm like using up my inventory on myself. So yeah, I got the Tashimi pepper, I think. It's just like a spicy, almost like a holiday scent, but I really like it. I'm okay with like buying other brands of candles. Like I love Dupes. I like these. I haven't burned these before though, so we'll see how they burn. And I also love my own candles, but I do need to make more. But I'm being lazy, so I just bought some new ones. This is Sicilian Sunrise. And then it also has like their branding in the back, which is cute. A cute little touch. I don't know, this one smells different from the one in the store. It's like a lemon. I wanted this for the kitchen. So yeah, I'm probably gonna burn these today. And then I've been watching Bridgerton. Like I need some macaroons. So I went to Lauderay. I got 4 macaroons. I got 2 vanilla and 2 orange blossom. I usually ask them to put them in a little cute Lauderay box, but I didn't care today. I was like, I'm just going home and watch Bridgerton. And then I got a whole bunch of Nespresso pods, and they were doing a promotion, so I actually got a free box too. But I just got a bunch of the Chiaro vanilla and caramel. I just got a bunch of these. Yeah, that is basically it for this vlog. I do have some videos coming up that I'm excited to share with you guys. Like I ordered some things to style my TV console, which is like 3 different cabinets pushed together, so it's extra long, so I need to style that up cute and like luxe looking. So I'm gonna film that, and then I also want to film like my living room setup minus the coffee table, because that's not going to come until June, or it's not back in stock until June. So unless I find something sooner, that'll be that. But I want to show you like my projector setup and give you like all of the details on that. So that's coming up, so make sure you're subscribed if you're interested in any of that. But I'm going to close out this video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.